Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. We're coming to you from the show floor at Foodpro 2023. I'm currently at the stand for C, and we're going to talk to a host of the team to discover all the different ranges that they've got on offer. We're going to start with Katarina Lenny. Hi, Katarina.
Hi.
What have we got here? What are we looking at?
Well, it's an exciting time for the fresh food sector in Australia as we're launching new solutions that now comply with the APCO sustainability guidelines. To start us off, we have our domestic shrink bag solutions. This is the Cryovac R90 bag, and also our Argard Cryovac bag, which is for bone-in and for boneless domestic solutions.
Okay.
Both are recycle ready and deliver on the performance and the shelf life as well.
Okay.
Now, on our R90 bag, we've had some really great development trials with the Australian recycling plastics, and we've been able to turn our bag into oil and then back into resins, into new materials. So fantastic development for the circularity in the future.
I was just going to say, this is the whole circularity of
Correct.
plastics.
That's right.
Oh, that's tremendous. Okay, so, well, we're kicking the goals with the meat sector. What about the fluid sector?
Let me walk you over to the fluid side.
Absolutely.
C is very excited to add Liquibox to its range of solutions. Bag & Box is a fantastic replacement for rigid containers such as bottles, and it's ideal for things like water, wine, syrups, dairy, and even edible oils as well. Now, our award-winning Liquid Pure solution is the latest recycle-ready packaging, and it's ideal for syrups and high barrier applications. It's a real game changer for the beverage industry, diverting tons of plastics away from landfill as well.
Oh, well, that is absolutely fantastic. Great to talk to you. Anna Debello looks after C's latest digital brand, Prismic. She's going to show us through some of the features that are of real benefit to food and beverage manufacturers and brands.
Thanks,
Hi.
Kim.
Hi.
Well, Prismic is a whole new approach to packaging. It's utilising digital technologies all the way from the design and the printing and connected packaging. So many brands start off with an idea, they have low volumes and usually start with a label. We can help them upgrade to a full digital printed packaging where they can increase their brand presence on shelf. We can also help in the connected packaging space. So by putting a smart code onto the pack and having it connected to the product cloud, we're combining with the powers of Digimark and Adobe to deliver unique serialized consumer experiences attached to the unique serialized code. So it's quite exciting. What makes it really great is that we've done all the heavy lifting, we've pulled it all together so our customers can just try it with one product, which is quite interesting compared to the traditional approach of having to invest thousands of dollars in developing the technology.
That's absolutely fantastic. It gives so much more opportunity to a whole host of developments, whether the company's big or small.
That's right. And so we find that the biggest prevention or barrier to adopting some of these new technologies is the high level of investment and the unknown ROI. The beauty of having or utilising the C solution with Prismic is that you're utilising the technologies that we've already built, and you'll get to a faster ROI because you'll be able to lower those entry costs.
And has this been launched? Have you launched the product?
It is available now. So anyone that's interested, please come to stand R2 and talk to me.
Peter Gallagher is responsible for automation at C, and he's going to tell us a big update about what's happening in that space.
Well, C automation really is about improving productivity and making sure that operators are safe when they're at work. We've got a couple of relatively new things which we've been doing in the last few years. A 780 smart in-feed conveyor for our rotary systems, which not only improves productivity but makes it safer and easier for operators to work.
It's such a major component, isn't it, for some manufacturers about getting that safe environment.
Oh, it is. It's huge.
Yeah.
And C takes automation and safety very, very seriously. One of the other things that we've done was with the new e-machines, we've also improved productivity and ergonomics by not only using the 780 in-feed conveyors, but having smarts in behind it that speed up and slow down the machine so that if there's a lower output, then the machine runs slower and the operator's actually got the ability to flatten bags a lot more easily. So it's very, very exciting.
That level of responsiveness must be an absolute game changer for some operators.
It is.
Yeah.
It makes their life much, much more easy than it has been traditionally for working on rotary machines.
And so what else is C working on at the moment?
Well, we've got an auto-load machine which has been designed and built in New Zealand for the Australian and New Zealand market. Really, really exciting. Something relatively new to see. We have it running in a plant in New Zealand at the moment and operators absolutely love it. It makes their lives easier because they're not trying to load into bags. They're just putting a piece of meat on a conveyor. And it seems to improve reject rates. So we've got lower repack rates as well. Another piece of equipment we've got is the FAS machine, which is this machine here, Food Application Systems. It's an awesome piece of kit, opens a bag up ready for operators to drop product into and then seals it and pops it out the end of the machine. Very high efficiency, high productivity bit of kit that is a bit of a game changer for frozen applications and
right.
potentially salads and other things as well.
Alan Adams is the Director of Sustainability for the APAC region for C. Hi, Alan.
Hi, Kim. How you doing?
I'm very well. This is all very shiny and brand new.
It really is. We've just rebranded ourselves as C. And, you know, while we're really proud of our history as Sealed Air, it was really time for us to embrace and be ready to go forward and lead with our new brand, and a brand that reflects us.
Yeah.
So today we're a market-driven, customer-centric packaging solutions provider, and it's important, I think, that we have a brand that really represents that. So now's the time. And the new brand C really stands for the automation, digital and packaging solutions company we've become. And that circular logo represents the constant drive towards more circularity, more sustainability in everything we do.
That's really evident on the stand. So what are you hoping from Foodpro this year?
Look, Foodpro is a great place for us to showcase all of our solutions under our power brands like Cryovac and like our newest acquisition, Liquibox, and to show off the solutions that we provide that are helping lead our industry into the future. And I'd say that the important parts of those are really about how we have market-ready solutions, innovative solutions today, because like 2025 is just around the corner.
Yeah.
So if we're going to make a difference, we have to do it now.
Yeah.
And then it's about how do we do that? We're reducing our carbon footprint, eliminating waste from everything, and delivering ever higher levels of circularity. And what that is just great outcomes for society, for us, and for our planet. We call that sustainability is the currency of action.
Oh, I like that. Well, it's very exciting to see the rebrand, but also the equipment that's on show here and the energy from the whole team. People can come on down and to R2 to see C's stand. Have a great rest of Foodpro.
Thanks, Kim. Thanks for coming to see us.